On a calm street in Westlake, Ohio, is a partner working for you 24/7, 365. A partner where you get a voice, not a voicemail. A partner that keeps you ahead of the technology curve. A partner that gives you a tailor-made solution with rapid response service and a monitored security system. Isn't that what you want from your partner? LOGOS Communications.
LOGOS passionately cares about giving you the tools you need to be the best that you can be.
The big success story behind LOGOS, I think, is that the longevity of the people, along with the expertise and the longevity of the relationships we've had, it's a good recipe.
Who is LOGOS? A talented group that knows its mission is to service you. More than just a hardware installation, LOGOS offers you creative solutions. When you sit across the desk with LOGOS, you are in the hands of a trusted advisor.
What our methodology is, what the call flow plan will look like.
Our job, and again, duty of the customer, is to constantly prompt and ask questions and ask more questions and understand their environment. Once we understand their environment and, more importantly, their business objectives, then once we take those business objectives, then we can apply information technology.
We listen to what they're looking for, and we use our talent to go out and find the best technology out there.
One of the unique ways that LOGOS delivers is their 52-step program, the Exchange Zone. No one else in the industry has it.
The Exchange Zone is 7 phases, and within those 7 phases, collectively there's 52 steps. And it provides the customer with a roadmap and a commitment of what LOGOS is going to provide, how we're going to plan, how we're going to implement, and how we're going to complete the project and what the deliverables are going to be.
The Exchange Zone is somewhat of a little bit of a different approach. Not only does it focus on the delivery mechanism and, if you will, the life cycle of a product, but it also takes into account the back office operations. And it starts all the way up front with the initial sales portion. And that's why I call it the quote to cash.
The methodology that we bring to the table through Exchange Zone is what keeps us on track for delivering for a customer with predictability, reliability. We know how we're going to service that implementation, what kind of resources we need. We're aware of every single piece of the hardware and where it's going to play and what has to be done with it.
LOGOS has built its reputation as a user-friendly group by committing to its partners without its partners asking them to first. It is this type of commitment that makes LOGOS a unique and dynamic organization.
When you're putting in IP telephony, that's scary. This is something new that's popping into your network. It can be a complete disaster. So you want to make sure that you're going to have somebody that will really understand your needs, that will take care of you, and will make sure that you're standing at the end of that project and that you're not crushed by it. And that's what we do at LOGOS.
We'll take care of our customers, whether we do it over the phone, face-to-face, or via written communication. We take care of all of our partners.
When we say that we're going to do something for the customer, that's exactly what they get. One of the great things is that we're a small company that's performing large jobs, and I can walk over, talk to an engineer, talk to the vice president of service, talk to the owner of the company to get the answers that my customers are demanding from me so that I can get back to them so we can move forward quickly to complete the projects.
There are no shortcuts at LOGOS. Yes, it is a premium service, but in the long run, our partners come back and want us to do more. And we do more for less. It is what we want to deliver.
For the customer, it becomes a win-win. And that's what we're in the business of doing, winning.
We get out there and we understand the customer's needs. We stay with them and we make sure that by the end of the day, when we leave, that we're leaving it a lot better than we found it. Thanks for letting us into your world and giving us a chance to grow and meet your business needs.
Thanks for listening and watching. Log on to logosync.com.